Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to sign up on Zoom app. So let's start. First, open the Zoom app. At the bottom left of the screen, you'll see the option to sign up. Tap on that. First, you have to enter your date of birth. Then type in your email. Your first name and your last name. And tap sign up. A verification email will be sent to your email you just provided. So open the Gmail app and go to your account. If you don't see the email, then refresh the feed. And you'll see the email. Tap on that. And tap on Activate Account. And it will redirect you to the Zoom website. Now, if you are not signing up on behalf of a school, select No and tap Continue. Now you have to create your password. Zoom provides 4 criteria for the password. You have to match all 4 of those criteria. Then type in your password again. And tap Continue. Now you can invite your friends or colleagues. I'll just skip this step. You can start a meeting right away or go to your profile by tapping on Go to My Account. And this is your account page. And that's how you sign up on the Zoom app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.